Homeowner's Guide: Interpreting Your Home Inspection Report. Buying a home is a significant decision, and understanding your home inspection report is key to navigating this process effectively. The report outlines the property's condition, highlighting critical areas like safety, function, and structures, which can affect the home's value and your future expenses. It's organized into sections, including an introduction, a summary of urgent issues, and detailed findings on various property areas. To effectively use the report, read it thoroughly, highlight major concerns, and consult professionals for complex issues. This document helps identify immediate repairs but also aids in planning future maintenance to prevent the problems from worsening. By understanding and utilizing your home inspection report, you can make well-informed decisions, ensuring your investment is sound, and your home will remain in good condition.